Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video tutorial, we have added the profile image in the session and replaced with the dummy images. Now this is the profile page which we have built earlier, and this is the profile setting page. We are going to manipulate the UI. We don't need user activity, so we will delete this. And we also don't need customer support and task. Instead, we will use this section here, and in the final touch we have only 3 columns and 3 boxes for information. In the upcoming tutorials, we are going to make system and activities a real-time notification module with the help of SignalR. So whenever the real notification trigger, user can feel difference here. So we have to go on profile, under the profile controller, and here we have the index. Right click here and go to view, so we can manipulate the view. Now inspect this, your activity. It is started from this call 6 empty in a row. This is the row and this is a call 6 empty. We need to remove this, so we have to find your activity and remove this one. Delete, save it. Now refresh. Now we need to remove these 2 boxes. It is refreshing. Okay, now we have a screen something like this. Okay, we also need to remove this one. This is the main portlet and this is a sub main. We will copy this and utilize that here. Okay, now we need to search for customer support. This is a customer support and this is the whole row which we don't need it. Instead of this, we will copy projects, this one, cut that from here, and we will utilize that here in this area. We just need to create a div having class call md6, and that's it. Now after making this div, we will place the cut part of the portlet light under this div and save it. Now refresh the page, and now you can see this is our final layout which we have done. I hope this is informative. In the next video, we are going to create a profile setting page like this one. Here we have the profile setting which is not really good looking, and this is the Metronics profile setting page which we are going to convert here. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.